Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're pleased to welcome back Charles Yan to the program. He's the Chief Financial Officer of Intchains Group. They just came out with their Q2 results, and we're really excited to walk through them, along with their outlook and strategy in today's video. Before we get into it, take a second, hit the like button, guys. Big help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join, and let us know in the comments section below if you're currently holding shares of Intchains Group and what you thought about their quarterly results. With that being said, let's get into today's interview. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we have Charles Yan back on the program. He's the Chief Financial Officer of Intchains Group. Very excited to get into today's interview. You guys just came off Q2 earnings, and we're also going to be talking about your Ethereum strategy and outlook. So Charles, thank you for making the time.
Yeah, thank you, Bryce. It's good to be here again. Yes, it's very honored to be on your channel. Yeah, we're glad to share our updates to you. Yeah, thank you.
Great. Well, we're happy to have you here, Charles. For the first question, for people who are maybe unfamiliar with Intchains Group, can you give us just a very high level or brief summary of the company?
Okay, yeah. For those new to our story, I would like to provide an overview of our three main business. Our first business is altcoin mining machine, and then we do the ETH accumulation, and finally we will develop the Web3 application. So our core business, altcoin mining machine under the Goldshell brand, is our primary revenue contributor. We design altcoin mining machines incorporating in-house developed ASIC chips, which are used to mine a number of popular alternative cryptocurrencies, including Litecoin, Dogecoin, Aleo, and more. Then, since first quarter 2024, we have implemented a strategic, self-funded dollar cost averaging ETH accumulation strategy as part of our value creation strategy to generate return on our capital. And finally, we also have a Web3 application development business. Currently, we have launched a one-stop blockchain payment solution called Goldshell Pay and a crypto hardware wallet called Goldshell Wallet. Yeah, this is our main business. Thank you.
Excellent. Yeah, I appreciate you going through that. And if you guys want more info, the company website is linked in the video description below as well. So now we wanted to get into the earnings or the Q2 results here. So can you walk us through your recently announced earnings and some of the key highlights, Charles?
Yeah, actually Q2 is a relatively tough quarter for our miner business. Yeah, our revenue came in at around $6 million, a significant decline compared to the same period last year. Yeah, this was mainly due to the lower sales of our core product in the first half, the Aleo miner, following a drop in Aleo token price. As a result, we recorded a loss from operation of $2.3 million for Q2. Of this, around $2 million came from an inventory provision we made based on the order price for the third quarter. And we would like to note that quarterly fluctuation in mining machine sales are a common industry-wide phenomenon and are often driven by a combination of external market conditions, including volatility in cryptocurrency prices, changes in mining difficulty, seasonal demand shifts, and evolving regulatory environments. These factors can influence customer purchasing behavior and the investment cycles, especially in the altcoin segment. As such, short-term sales variability in our business should be viewed within the broader context of long-term growth trends and product innovation. However, even though our revenue this quarter was $6 million, our net income reached $5.3 million. This was largely driven by another main business, ETH accumulation strategy. Yes, for the second quarter, we recorded a gain in fair value of cryptocurrencies of $6 million, primarily a result of increasing holding of its units by 1,793 units since Q1 2025, while its price increased by around 35% during the period. So as a result, our net income for Q2 was about $5.3 million, which was affected by lower revenues and offset by gain on fair value of cryptocurrency as we increased its holding and saw a 34% increase in its price during the period. Our balance sheet remains strong. As of June 30, 2025, our cash position, which consists of cash and cash equivalent, short-term investment and long-term investment, was $71.6 million. Also, as of June 30, 2025, we had current assets of $94.5 million, total assets of $148 million, and total liability of just $4.6 million. So in summary, even though Q2 was challenging, our integrated approach, combining the mining machine business with our ETH strategy, continues to generate value for the company. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks. It's nice to see you've got that diversified revenue approach. Now, you talk about the mining business itself, Charles. Can you give us an update and outlook on that division of the company?
In Q2, our Aleo miner is approaching to the later stage of its life cycle, and with a significant drop in token prices. Demand naturally softened, and this was the main reason for the revenue decline in Q2. However, our R&D costs have already been covered by the projects themselves. Our current and near-term focus is on inventory clearance and the cash collection. So at the same time, we were working on new mining machine designs to meet users' demand. For example, we launched Goldshell Byte in Q1, which allows users to swap algorithm cards instead of replacing the Intel miner. This reduced the user's cost and increased customer stickiness. A model we believe represents the future of the mining, home mining. Yes. So for the remainder of 2025, the company plans to launch another new altcoin miner, which is expected to be a key revenue driver in the second half of this year. At the same time, our Dogecoin miner will continue to contribute significantly to the revenue. And for the long term, we are developing brand new Dogecoin miner using the most advanced process node. Now we are testing the multiple solutions to improve mining efficiency. Our new Dogecoin miner is planned for launch in the first half of 2026. So we are aiming to establish ourselves as a top-tier Dogecoin mining machine provider. Thank you.
Excellent. Yeah, it's going to be exciting to see those new machines start to come out. Now, the other area I wanted to double click on is your Ethereum business. We've seen a lot of companies getting involved in the Ethereum Treasury or Ethereum Strategy niche here. Can you talk about Intchains Group and how you guys are positioned in your Ethereum business and your outlook?
Yeah, thank you. Since Q1 2025, our ETH holding have increased by 1,793 units, making us one of the top 10 ETH holders worldwide. So our average holding cost for ETH is around 2,600 per unit, which is relatively low. And as of June 30, the ETH market price was about 2,500, up approximately 25% over the period. Since then, ETH has experienced a significant rally in Q3. And based on current market price, the fair value of our ETH holding has already risen by more than 75% compared to June 30. So since we launched this ETH accumulation strategy in January 2024, it has consistently generated asset appreciation and value creation beyond our mining machine business. Now we are seeing increasing numbers of companies embrace an ETH treasury strategy. Yeah, and we continue to be optimistic about ETH's future. As a result, it's foreseeable that our Q3 and second half financial results will be significantly influenced by increase of ETH price and our holding. Thank you.
Yeah, makes sense. I wanted to take that a step further and talk about this Ethereum strategy or accumulation. We've seen a lot of companies issuing convertible notes or debt to actually raise money to buy Ethereum. What is Intchains Group strategy?
Yeah, moving forward, we are considering using fundraising as supplement beyond the operational profit to expand our ETH holdings. We will use a more comprehensive approach to increase ETH accumulation. While also we will also exploring other methods to enhance the holding yield. Currently, only about 10% of our ETH are staked, and in the future we plan to enhance yields through decentralized method and collaborations with centralized exchanges. As part of these efforts, we recently announced a partnership with Falcon X, focusing on two key areas. First is optimizing ETH acquisition through customized derivative-based trading strategies such as funded put selling. This allows us to potentially accumulate ETH at a favorable prices while generating premium income. Second is to enhance ETH yields by combining lending activities with a derivative-based yield strategy, aiming to deliver superior return compared to traditional passive ETH accumulation or staking. So our goal is to achieve a higher annualized yield on our ETH holding, potentially reaching up to 10%. And we plan to explore additional partnership with in the future to further increase the overall return from ETH accumulation.
Yeah, very exciting. I know we've covered a lot of ground here today. We've talked about your mining business, your mining machines, the Ethereum, the strategy. In terms of closing thoughts or final summary here, what would you like to leave us with today, Charles?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, as I mentioned, yes, as I mentioned before, our business model may lead to some short-term revenue fluctuations, but we take a longer full cycle perspective on investment returns. Whether through ETH accumulation or mining business or mining machine business, this approach has already delivered solid returns and added real value to the company. We remain focused on executing our long-term vision and developing sustained value through technology, leadership, and strong commitment to innovation to unlock long-term value and reinforce our leadership in the evolving blockchain ecosystem. So by aligning our development roadmap with the needs of both enterprise and the crypto native users, we aim to be a driving force in shaping the future.
Great. There you go, you guys. Intchains Group Q2 earnings, one of the top Ethereum Treasury holders in the world right now. Very exciting times. I'll leave your information if you guys want to check out the website or get in contact here. If you have any additional questions for Charles and the team at ICG, leave them in the comment section below. If you're still watching at this point, hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. We'll see you back here tomorrow.